Good morning, this is Capcut coming to you another DIY video. Doing some home projects here, and I thought I'd share this one. We're having an issue with two of our toilets where the wear and tear is from cleaning is wearing off the paint. I'm gonna show you what I did, try to get through the video pretty fast with some snapshots. Took the toilet seats, took them off, and painted them and put them back. So if they're stripped, replace them. But they're not stripped, so you can basically either go pay $39 to $45 per seat at Home Depot or Lowe's, or you can try to fix it yourself and make it look as clean as possible. Let me show you what I did. All right, so here's the toilet seat. The porcelain's fine, American standard. Looks fine, looks great. Then you flip it down, pow. Use typical Lysol, whatnot to clean, but it shouldn't be rubbing off like that so fast. Anyway, took it off by flipping this back, unscrewing this from the bottom, and then unscrewing the screws here and just taking this whole unit off. And then I put it in, as you'll see, put it in the box and just use what I had. It had some cable and rebar, and made a makeshift painting area with some tarp, and got it done.
Remember, no obstacles, only challenges.
So it did look like this, and now it looks like this. So it turned out pretty good. Got it installed. It's working good. It's not 100%, but you know what? It's white. Anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this project helps anyone who's having the same issue. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to doing other projects throughout the year. Thank you.